Hi! It's December 31st already, and we're almost done with 2025. And for 2025, I thank you for watching me, supporting me. Like, hindi, um, hindi tuloy-tuloy yung pag-upload ko ng ganitong content like Get Ready With Me. Of course, busy, hectic ang schedule, and of course, night shift. So, kailangan mag-sleep, sleep, sleep, sleep. But then again, I thank you for watching me and for supporting me and for following me and for, yeah, saying that I'm pretty, saying that I dress well, and yeah, that's it. So let's get ready with me for today, for the last time, this December 31, 2025, and we will move forward together, netizens, right, to the next level in the 2026. I will know my style, I will know kung saan ako magaling, saan ako maganda, and saan yung bagay yung body structure ko na outfit. So let's start without further ado. Yakult every day, okay. Thanks, Yakult. Ooh, it has probiotics and it's good for the tummy. I had my haircut pala. Do you like it, netizens, or not? So for the bottoms, I'll be wearing this short na nabili ko sa Ukay for like, I got 50 pesos only. 50 pesos. So let's start na madali na ako dahil bibili kami ng 12 fruits ni Mama. And it's already 12 noon. Ito pala yung shorts. I like the fit kasi sobrang mahagin niya sa aking butt. And sobrang short niya talaga. So, na-emphasize na short talaga siya. Hindi sa jorts. Hindi siya long pants. Short talaga siya. And for my top, I'll be using this one. Para shiny, shimmering, splendid tayo bumili ng mga prutas later. So, this is it. So, ito na nga siya when worn. Basta ito na nga siya. Ito na nga siya kung susuotin mo siya. Okay. Talaga ako pang dance. Tatakin ko ba? Ba't ko itatakin? Okay, lagay lang natin yan sa keyboard. Shining, shimmering, splendid. And for the shoes, I'll be wearing this one. And this is for my bag. And this is for my shades today. Kasi ang init. So, ayun lang naman guys. So, this 2026 is with regards sa aking pananamit. You can say whatever you want. But if it fits my style, I will wear it. Kahit na ano pa yan, kahit na shorts, or two-piece, or sleeveless, tube, or anything, I will wear it. Kasi dyan nabuboost yung confidence ko. Paki nyo ba? Mag-wear din kayo kung gusto niyo. Body ko naman to. And bagay naman sa akin yung outfit. Diba? Ano yan? So, right, you can wear whatever you want to wear as long as it boosts your confidence and huwag kayong mag-body shame dyan. And kapag bagay naman, hayaan nyo na silang mag-wear ng kung anong gusto nila. Okay nyo ba? So, yun lang naman guys. At bibili na kami ni Mama ng fruits. Bye!